Fire alarm test 34, not 30. Fire alarm test 30 even. There it goes. It works well. It works. I'll take. Reset it. I'll hopefully get a new style case for the one to put in place for that one. I know I'm going to test. This I'll just use. I'm thinking this key. Am I going to use it? Put it inside, like it goes in like that. Like that. I will remove the key. That one. I will put it into another one. I would put the it's just a cycle one, you know. It's a fire alarm test. Yep. Taking the action. I will spray the detector with the deodorant on this. Okay, then I'll grab the deodorant and it's a fire alarm test. It is a fire alarm test. It will go. This Casey sounder goes like that. I'm just taking it nice and easy. Blow. I like fire alarms. I like fire alarms and all of that lot. I like fire alarms. I like alarms. I'm just going to, I'm going to use the test key in this one. Forgot to switch the thingy back on. I'll turn it on now. I'll just test with this call point is next. Like that. And this one, what am I going to do? This call point, keys at the bottom. I'm just going to test it by using the test key. There it goes. I'll get another one of these. Yes, I will. It'll go up like that. Thank you for watching. Bye.